So this has been talked about a lot, and it's about blow off valves and if it's good for the car, if it's bad. It's literally just for sound. So anyways, I went ahead and installed it, the Black Edition HKS, and it's meant for the OEM or HKS intake because it comes with this coupler that usually goes right here, and then the recirculating kit has that hose here that loops down and will go into here. But since I can't use that, I had to make my own little port. Use some fittings and JB welded it and have rubber gaskets inside, so it's sealed really good. No leaks or anything. In order to fit it with the Cusco Strut Bar, I had to modify the bracket. You can modify the bracket or you can just buy the EVS kit for it. But I didn't want it sitting like all the way down there and you can't even see it and it's angled and stuff. So I just modified the bracket a little bit. I lowered it 1 inch and I kind of angled it this way so I can have clearance right here. And it's very, very tight clearance. So if you want to run a blow off valve, I highly recommend the recirculating kit, because if you don't run that, you're releasing all that pressure into the air and your MAF sensor is going to be confused when it's expecting that air to come back in and recirculate. So literally the recirculating kit from HKS just does that, goes right back in. I test drove it about 5 miles, no check engine light, nothing. I did a data log, so I'll go ahead and look at that and then I'll let you guys know what I find out. It sounds awesome. Here's some clips.